Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the prime and composite numbers. In this video we will learn square and cube numbers. Our today's topic is square and cube numbers. Square numbers. What are square numbers? The product is a square number when a number is multiplied by itself. I repeat, the product is a square number when a number is multiplied by itself. Here we have example 2. If we multiply 2 with 2, we are multiplying 2 by itself. We get the answer 4, and 4 is the square number. The product is the square number, as we are multiplying 2 by itself and we are getting the answer 4. 4 is the square number. 3. 3 into 3 we have 9. And the 9 is a square number. We are multiplying 3 by itself and the answer is 9. 9 is the square number. 4 into 4. We are multiplying 4 by itself. The answer is 16. Now students, you will tell me, which one is the square number? 16 is the square number. 16 is the square number. We have 5. 5 is multiplying by itself. The product is? Product is 25. The product is 25. And 25 is the square number. 25 is the square number. Here we have some more examples. 6. If we multiply 6 by itself, the product is? Product is 36. Now students, tell me, which one is the square number? Yes, you know very well. Which one is the square number? 36 is the square number. Which one is the square number? 36 is the square number. If we multiply 7 by itself, the product is 49. The product is 49. And 49 is the square number. 49 is the square number. 8. 8 is multiplied by itself and the product is 64. Product is 64 and 64 is the square number. 64 is the square number. 9. 9 is multiplied by itself. The product is square number, that is 81. Product is 81, that is a square number. Cube number. The product is a cube number when a number is multiplied by itself twice. Or we can say that when a number is multiplied by itself and itself again. The product is a cube number. Here we have some numbers. 2. We can see that there are 3 2. 2 is multiplied by itself and it is multiplied by itself again. And the product we get is, if we multiply 2 with 2 we get 4. And if we multiply 4 with 2 we get 8. Here we have some more numbers. 3. 3 is multiplied by itself and it is multiplied by itself again. 3 into 3 we get 9 and 9 into 3 we get 27. Students, do you have any idea which are the cube numbers? 8 and 27 are the cube numbers here. According to the definition, the number is multiplied by itself and it is multiplied by itself again. The product is a cube number. Here 8 and 27 are the products. 8 and 27 are the cube numbers. 4 is multiplied by itself and it is multiplied by itself again. 4 is multiplied twice, we can say that. The product is 64. 5 is multiplied by itself and it is multiplied by itself again. The product is 125. Which numbers are the cube numbers? 64 and 125 are the cube numbers. I repeat, 64 and 125 are the cube numbers. For example, 6. 6 is multiplied by itself and it is multiplied by itself again. The product is a cube number. Product is a cube number, that is 216. 216 is a cube number. 7 is multiplied by itself and it is multiplied by itself again. The product we get 343. We get 343 and this is a cube number. 343 is a cube number. Index notation. Index notation is a special way for writing the number that shows the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. It shows how many times a given number is multiplied by itself. It is index notation. I repeat, number of times a given number is multiplied by itself. How to write index notation? Index notation is always written in the right hand top corner of a given number. It is written in the right hand top corner of a given number. 2 is multiplied by itself and it is multiplied by itself again. We can see that there are 3 2's that are multiplying. How many 2's are there? There are 3 2's. In index notation, how we will write this number? As I told you, index number is written at the top right hand corner of this number. We will write it as this one. Here we can see that the 3 is written at the top right hand corner of this 2. So this is the index number. This 3 is the index number or power. It shows how many times this 2 is multiplied by itself. Here we have some more examples. 5 is multiplying by itself. How many 5's are multiplied? There are 2 5's are multiplied. How many times this 5 is multiplied? 2 times. So 2 is the index number or power. It shows how many times this number is multiplied by itself. 3 is multiplying by itself. How many 3's are there? There are 2 3's. So 2 is the index number or power. It shows how many times this 3 is multiplying by itself? 4. Here we can see that there are 3 4s. 4 is multiplied by itself and it is multiplied by itself again. How many 4s are there? There are 3 4s that are multiplying. 5. Here we can see that there are 3 5s. We can say that 3 5s are multiplied. So, can you tell me which one is the index number or power? This 3 that is written at the right top corner of this number. It is index number or power. Here we can see that this 3 that is written at the top right hand corner is the index number or power. It shows how many times this 3 is multiplied by itself. In this video we have discussed square and cube numbers. In the next video we will learn about the integers. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.